morning, everybody. This is Brad here on this fall day. On this fall day, leaves are falling off. And they're talking rain this afternoon. I hope we don't, but you never know. And we're gonna be out filming for a bit and see what trains we can get. I'm just doing my vlogging. It's nice out here. We had a lot of rain around here too this week. I was pretty soaked the other day. There's hardly anything you can get for 50 cents nowadays, unless you're really lucky. Well, there's our combine, as you can see here. Yeah, it's the combine right where trees are at. There's a lot of harvest going on around here. Some of it is already harvested and some of it has not. But we don't need any more rain to dampen the harvest around here. And there's some clouds off to our north and west. Well, never mind that. But there's a lot of clouds. They're talking snow. But I'll keep an eye on the forecast. And all it is a lot of clouds. And it's that time of the year. Yeah, that crossing sounded like something wrong with it. But it works up and down. Normally you hear that ding 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 thing, but it wasn't the case. Yeah, that's all the spots right here. It is rain. And I just got done filming this last coal train. So I'm gonna call it quits for today's vlog. And there won't be a vlog tomorrow because of the weather. So I'll see you next weekend. Bye bye.